Welcome to QuickBooks Online. Let's go over where everything is in QuickBooks so that you can start using it to manage your business efficiently. QuickBooks has two different views. Business View is tailored to someone running a business without an accounting background. Accountant View is our classic view that is familiar to accountants and people with accounting knowledge. You can change your view by going to the Settings menu. We'll show you the rest of QuickBooks in Business View. In Settings, you can also do things like add and manage users, manage your billing and subscription info, and set your preferences so that QuickBooks is optimized to work for your business. Get Things Done gives you a quick way to access the most common tasks in QuickBooks, like creating invoices, paying bills, and accessing reports. In Business Overview, you'll see an overview of your cash flow, reports, projects, and your bank accounts once you've connected them to QuickBooks. You can track your expenses and profitability by project here if you have QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced. In Get Paid and Pay, you'll find your Money In options, like customers, products, and services. And here, you'll find your Money Out options and who you must pay. Next is the Customers and Leads option, where you'll find all the customer invoices that have been recorded on QuickBooks. Under the Marketing tab, you'll find the tips and resources to scale up your business. Employees is where you can manage your employees. In Bookkeeping, you'll see a hub for all your bookkeeping tasks. Transactions is where you'll link your bank and credit cards to QuickBooks. Linking these is an important step for using QuickBooks. When you do, all your transactions automatically and securely appear in QuickBooks so that you can see everything that's going on. In the Manage section, you can set up rules to automatically categorize your incoming bank transactions. View and manage all your accounts in QuickBooks in Chart of Accounts. In the Expert section, you can invite your accountant to view your books and reconcile your bank accounts every month. Taxes lets you see what taxes you owe. This is also where you will set up your tax rates and manage your payroll taxes if you have them. In the App Center, you can connect apps like Square, Etsy, or Amazon Business to QuickBooks. When you need to create a new transaction, like an invoice or an expense, select New and you'll see everything you can create for customers, suppliers, or employees. Finally, when you find something you have questions about, help is just a click away. Select the Help icon to see topics related to the page you're on. Search for more info or contact support. Now that you know your way around a bit, what's next is up to you. Welcome to QuickBooks.